Your car's air conditioning does not actually create cold air. Instead, it works by absorbing the intense heat from inside your cabin and moving it completely outside. This is a closed loop of continuous pressure and temperature changes. It starts at the AC compressor, which is driven by your engine's serpentine belt. The compressor squeezes a low-pressure refrigerant gas, turning it into a high-pressure, incredibly hot gas. This hot gas is then pumped to the front. This boiling gas enters the condenser, which looks like a small radiator behind your grill. As outside air blows across the condenser fins, the gas cools down rapidly and condenses into a high-pressure liquid. This high-pressure liquid travels to the expansion valve. This valve restricts the flow, forcing the liquid through a tiny opening. This sudden pressure drop causes the liquid refrigerant to rapidly cool to freezing temperatures. The freezing liquid now flows into the evaporator core inside your dashboard. A blower fan pushes the hot cabin air through this freezing core. The refrigerant absorbs the heat, turning back into a gas while blowing ice-cold air. Finally, this warm, low-pressure gas flows right back to the compressor under the hood. The entire cycle instantly repeats itself, constantly removing heat from the interior until your car cabin feels like a refrigerator.